Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is February 22nd, 2026, and the top cryptocurrency news is as follows. We are going to go into a scam and tell you that the founder of Uniswap is condemning the scams of Uniswap advertisers as he uploaded a post saying that we waited months on the App Store to get approval to upload Uniswap. However, at the same time, there were many Uniswap scams that had already been uploaded, and he basically uploads a post that shows another post that says that even in 2026, there are scammers who just pay Google to upload their own website, even from Uniswap itself. As a result, many people are falling victim to scams, as you can understand, so be very careful even with which link you choose. Moving on, we'll move on to the President of the United States, who raised global tariffs from 10% to 15%. Cryptocurrencies apparently didn't care. Moving on, we'll move on to Ethereum, where we have some very big upgrades on the horizon. The Hegota upgrade is a coordinated change to the network's core rules, which developers expect to go live in the second half of 2026. The proposal, filed as EIP 7805, is designed to ensure that Ethereum remains resistant to censorship at the protocol level by forcing validators to include all transactions. Because some validators have in the past ignored certain transactions, including those associated with approved addresses or protocols, like the once approved Tornado Cash, this network change would ensure that they are included. Continuing, we will refer to SBI Holdings, one of the largest financial institutions in Japan, which is launching its first blockchain-based bond aimed at retail investors. SBI Holdings, one of Japan's largest financial groups, is launching its first blockchain-based bond aimed at retail investors, a 10 billion yen, approximately $64.5 million issue that combines traditional fixed income features with blockchain settlement and cryptocurrency benefits. The bonds, called SBI Start Bonds, are fully managed on-chain using the IBIT for Fin platform. These 3-year bonds offer an indicative annual interest rate of 1.85% to 2.45%, payable semi-annually. Investors in these bonds can also receive rewards in XRP tokens, according to SBI. And now let's move on to our favorite cryptocurrency market, where Bitcoin is trading at $68,000 as I write this episode. And it seems like a lot of money is going to exchanges, as CryptoQuant reported that large Bitcoin holders are now directing the majority of deposits to exchanges, with the whale trading ratio rising to 0.64, the highest level since 2015, suggesting that whales are leading the selling activity. 0.64 means that 64% of all Bitcoin trading inflows came from the top 10 depositors by volume, and that's up from October 2025 when we saw these numbers. Things are also not looking good for stablecoins, as stablecoin inflows have also declined sharply, with daily net USDT flows to exchanges falling from a high of $616 million on November 5th to just $27 million on Friday, reducing the purchasing power available in the market, CryptoQuant reported. So very large Bitcoin wallets seem to be putting Bitcoin on exchanges without many stablecoins in the market. As I translate it, that wraps up the top news for crypto today, February 22nd, 2026. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.